On number 19, you're given these two expressions, x squared minus 11 and x squared minus the square root of 13, and asked to factor each of these using the difference of squares. And if you remember, the difference of squares formula is a squared minus b squared equals a plus b times a minus b. So here you may be confused since 11 is not a perfect square, but notice to get from a squared to a, you just take the square root of it. So we're going to have to take, since 11 is a squared in this case, well, actually b squared, but whatever. 11 is b squared. We actually need to take the square root of 11 to get b. So this will convert into x plus the square root of 11 and x minus the square root of 11. And now in this one, is even more strange since we already have a square root, which means we're going to have to take the square root of a square root. And if you don't know what that will turn out to be, first turn the square root into exponential form, 13 to the 1/2 power. And then since you're taking the square root of that, that means this 1/2 is being raised to a further 1/2. And if you remember your rules for exponents, when a power is raised to another power, actually there really shouldn't be parentheses here, when this power is raised to another power, that means they just become multiplied. So 1/2 times 1/2 is 1/4. So you had 13 to the 1/4 power, which when you convert that back into radical form, it's the 4th root of 13. So this factors out into x plus the 4th root of 13 and x minus the 4th root of 13.